Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into ASDA or Walmart One account. Walmart One was formerly known as ASDA Walmart. So in order to log in and access your account, first of all open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in one.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now find yourself in the official website for One Walmart. Go to the upper right corner and click on the login button. You will then need to type in your user ID, select your country and then your location in the text box. Type in your user ID associated with your Walmart account and then choose your country from the drop-down. Select your location and click on sign in. You will then be signed into your One Walmart account in just a couple of minutes. You can now access your account, view your pay slips, work schedules, holidays, and much more. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.